Hey everyone, today I have this Valentine's look for y'all, and I'm going to start with my brows with the Peaches and Pearls brow pomade in the color Millicent. It's a dark brown, medium brown color, and I just fill it in like so. I focus the most of the product on the end of the brow, and then I just use the rest to fill in the beginning of the brows. The brush is really great to do like hair-like strokes in the beginning of the brow too, but I fade them out a little bit because I think it looks better. Then I use my Catrice Camouflage Cream in Rosy Sands to carve out the brow. I just feel like this gives a very clean look to the brows. And I use my Body Shop single eyeshadow. I will link all the little details in the description box below. But I just think this is a perfect taupey color to matte them a little bit and make them look better. My lips are pretty dry at this point, so I'm using the Hibiscus Lip Balm from Crazy Rumors. And then I'm going in with a brow gel by Ico. It has like little glitter particles in it, but you almost don't see it. I just feel like it gives a polished look. Then I'm using my Colourpop No Filter setting powder, and I just go under the eyes to make sure that the fallout won't stick to my foundation, because I already did my foundation on beforehand. Then I'm using the P. Louise Eye Makeup Base in Rumor 1, and I spread that out with a concealer brush above the eye and a little bit underneath the eye as well, because we're gonna put some color over there as well. Today I'm using my newest Lick and Lash beauty palette. I believe it's called the Nights Out palette, but I will link it below. And I'm just going in with a pink color first. Making sure that it's all nice and blended, and then with a smaller brush I'm going underneath my eye. I got pretty small eyes, so that's why I'm using a really small brush for it. And just doing the same on the other side as well. Then I'm using this really light cream color to make sure that the edges are even more blended. We want that really smooth airbrushed like effect. Then I'm using the red in the palette, and I'm just placing that right underneath where I put the pink, and blending that out again. Also on the sides. Then with the same small brush I'm going to go under my eyes as well, because we want the same colors underneath the eye than above the eye. This is gonna give like a very nice effect. And with the red I'm just going in all over my eye. I decided to just do everything with red. It's like kind of like a red that is a little bit to the pinkish side, so this matches perfectly with the pink that we already placed. And then I'm going in with the burgundy color to just deepen the outer corners a little bit. It just gives like a little bit more of a cat's eye effect without using any liner or anything, because I really like this kind of blown out style. Then I'm using my NYX glitter glue, and this is a perfect beautiful glitter by Essence. First I'm going to put the glitter glue on my hand, and then I use a flat brush to put it on my eyelid. I feel like this works the best for me. I just tap it and don't smear it, so the red doesn't go to waste. And with my fingers I place the glitter on the eyelid. It doesn't have to be perfect, we're just doing like kind of like a halo eye almost, but it's just like glitter on the eyelid, and I think it's like super cute. Then I'm using my Shockwave Neon Eyeliner and using my Catrice Glam & Doll Mascara. This makes a huge difference for my eyes, as you could tell. But I'm going in with some Lash Pop lashes anyway. I have really small eyes, so I cut these as well, but if you have normal eyes, I'm sure they will work. Meanwhile, while the lashes dry, I'm using my Pro HD Powder Contour by Makeup Revolution. just carving out the cheeks a little bit, going on my big forehead. You know the drill. Also underneath the jawline, because I don't have a really defined jawline, underneath the lips to make it more pouty, and the sides of the nose just a little bit. I'm not like too precise with this. I'm using a very light blush by W7, a matte blush. A little bit on the tip of the nose, like them e-girls do. Then with the Blushing Hearts highlighter by I Heart Revolution, this is such a gorgeous highlighter. I really love it. I don't really see the difference in the colors, but still chose a light pink to put in my inner corner to make it pop. And then with my No Filter setting powder, I go and bake a little bit. Meanwhile, the lashes are dry, so I put them on. And I like to press them together either with my fingers or with my tweezers. In the beginning I was very scared of my tweezers, but now I'm really used to it, and it helps to get that inner corner where it should be because it lifts a lot with my small eyes. Just brushing up the excess powder and going in with the Pro Fix setting spray by Makeup Revolution. And I'm using my Body Fantasies body mist. It really smells great, a little bit like vanilla and stuff, so gotta make sure you smell perfect for Valentine's, right? No matter if you celebrate this alone or with a boyfriend or a girlfriend or whatever, just make sure to have a nice day. And of course you can always do this kind of look whenever you want to, whenever you need some extra sass and glitter in your life. To be honest, I'm not like a huge glitter person because it gets everywhere, but I really did enjoy this look and I enjoyed making it, so I hope y'all also enjoy watching me create this. And if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Love you!